Hello, welcome to Vibetrading. My name is Don Okoro. So on Friday, Kylie Jenner, the 22-year-old billionaire, has collaborated on a skin line care with COTY to announce to launch a Kylie skin product in Europe. So on Friday, we saw the stock was running so crazy. So come on Tuesday, we want to see, is this surge, is it gonna continue on this particular stock, or is it gonna fade away? Let's quickly go in and look at this stock right now, and kind of have a very quick analysis of the stock, and let's see where this stock is gonna go to. So if we open our chart here, this is the ticker symbol right here, and let me just show you the news I'm looking. If you look right here, you can see that it says that this is where we had that announcement on Friday. It said that Court is announced launch of Kylie skin in Europe. So as a result of that, we saw a very big surge of this stock on Friday. And if you can look, I mean, it made a very big move on Friday. It was trading. Let me just look at the 5-day chart. Let's see where we were trading. We were just trading around the $3 16 cent, but we saw a massive move to the upside. So what does this mean for the stock? It means that this stock has a potential to continue running on Monday, because right now it's gonna catch the interest of a lot of people, and a lot of people are gonna want to trade the stock. So come Tuesday, what do we need to watch in this stock? And I'm gonna take you to our yearly chart so that we can look at some key level and see if it's something we might be interested to buy. So when we go to our yearly chart, just looking at this from the yearly chart, something I want you to pay attention is, I want you to pay attention to this support level here. And one thing I want you to understand, if you look at this stock, you can see that it's building some consolidation right here. It's consolidating, and it is just this stock is in stage one. So what's gonna happen is, because it's in stage one, it's still trading below this moving average. That's my 20-day moving average. So it's still in stage one. It has this very support is building. It's consolidating at this level. Come Monday, this stock is going to shoot to the upside, and where my target will be, my first target will be this level. Let me just show you where my target will be. That's where my first target will be. And if we look at the RSI, if you look at the RSI, our RSI is on 38. So that's a very good a very good place for the RSI to be. And it just tells you that this stock is still below, is still trading below. So if it'll come Tuesday, it has the potential to run. It's gonna run, and it's gonna be a great stock to kind of get in and just make your profit, because this is just an announcement that will just create hype, so that people want to participate, because people are afraid. People are gonna have this FOMO. They don't want to miss out of this stock, and they're gonna want to get in and kind of participate in this stock. So like I said, I will be watching this stock closely, and I'm looking to take a trade. Ideally, let me see where I'll be looking to get in, because I know as soon as the market open on Tuesday, this thing is gonna jump. If it doesn't jump, it's gonna fade, and regardless, after fading, it's gonna continue moving upward. So keep it on your watch list. This is gonna be mad. This is gonna be crazy. I'll be looking at getting anything above 390. If it's above 3.90 cent, I'll look to get in, with about 5,000 share or so. and just it's gonna be a short trade. We're not really investing into this. It's gonna be a short trade. We're gonna get in and get out and just take our profit real quick. Well, I hope you do like this analysis. If you do like the analysis, why don't you consider smashing the like button? And if you haven't smashed the like button, why don't you consider smashing it, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.